India's 5.5 generation AMCA fighter jet will enter a detailed data generation process for making prototypes in the next 4 months. The government has sanctioned 400 crore rupees after successful completion of conceptual design and feasibility. According to top officials, few changes have been made to its design, and the design phase will be completed in the next 3 months. The Aeronautical Development Agency will seek the government approval to develop 5 prototypes towards the end of 2020, and the expected funding could be around 10,000 crore rupees. In a major development, the French engine manufacturer Safran has said that it is ready to transfer full technology for fighter jet engines to India. French officials have initiated discussions on the matter, and this offer gains significance as India has embarked on an ambitious plan to develop its AMCA 5.5 generation fighter jet. The former French ambassador to India Alexander Ziegler has said that exchanges have started between India and France for a potential partnership for the next generation fighter program, and France is ready to propose a full transfer of technology to India. Denis Manturov, the Russian Minister of Industry and Trade, has said that India and Russia have signed a deal to extend the licensed manufacturing of T-90 tanks until 2028, and this comes after the recent approval of 464 T-90 tanks by India's Defence Acquisition Council. Russia has also invited India to participate in the joint production of advanced equipments like the BTR-82 Wheeled Armoured Personnel Carrier, BMP-3 Infantry Combat Vehicle, and Sprute Light Battle Tank. DRDO is developing a precision-guided operational tactical air-launched cruise system known as Rudra M3. The Indian government had approved the tactical air-launched cruise system in 2018, which will have a stealthy airframe and will be low observable in flight, and will be very difficult to be engaged by air defense systems. The light utility helicopter developed by Hindustan Aeronautics will be awarded initial operational clearance certification at the upcoming Defence Expo 2020. The light utility helicopter is a 3-ton class new generation single-engine helicopter, which is set to replace the aging fleet of Cheetah and Chetak helicopters in service with the Indian Army and the Indian Air Force. Fractal has announced a technology partnership with IdeaForge, and both organizations will partner to provide artificial intelligence-based drone solutions, which will be useful for crowd monitoring, objects detection and tracking. Fractal's image and video analytics solutions will analyze real-time video feed to make tactical as well as strategic decisions. India's first Chief of Defence Staff has said that India would have a peninsular command to look after all naval operations in closer Indian Ocean region, an air defence command to cover all operations taking place in the Indian airspace, a new space command, as well as a multi-service logistics command and training command. The Indian Army Chief has said that CAG report that cited an acute shortage of high-altitude clothing and inadequate ration is outdated, as it is based on an audit from 2015. He also said that the Indian Army spends around 1 lakh rupees on the clothing of each soldier deployed at high altitudes, and he assured that the Indian Army is fully prepared as of 2020.